Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's me, Movidong, back again with a new episode of my podcast. Yes, guys, it's me, Mavi, and I am back with the new topics today, and it's about making your presence important in a group. Actually, we failed. A kind of. Sometimes we fail in certain groups. Even we are present in a group, but we feel that less significance in a group. We felt like people are not hearing the words that we are trying to implement, trying to say to them. Such kinds of feelings, mindset will come in, our thinking will become in mind every time. So actually no one wants to feel left out. Sometimes this is just in your head, but at over times you actually might be right. This surely is one of the most heartbreaking things that you will ever witness. And when you grow older, sticking to a constant set of people becomes very important. It becomes a lot trickier to be in a group of friends, colleagues, or just a formal group of associates. It is everyone's desire to stand out and leave his mark. Although difficult, it is not impossible. And I come up with some tips, to do or do not to become the important part of the group. So here it goes like this. In number one, pick your moment. It is important to know when to talk and when not to. People who speak when silence would be a better options, or who talk too much usually get ignored. Added to this, it is rude to joke at all times. Therefore, you have to read the mood of the group before contributing. You should be very particular about what you say and when you say it and how you say it. This is the key if you do not want to turn off the people. So pick the moment, know about the moments. And in number second, it's about becoming yourself. Don't creep people out. Be yourself even though you are part of a group. Don't be that new guy who becomes a chatterbox in order to impress the group. Being talkative and creepy would make you come across as needy. So never become a person who are needy. It's simple, just go with your institution. With a new group, do not be over friendly. Do not also stand away from the group, as this would be viewed as a lack of self-confidence, and to be honest, most people don't like that. So be authentic with yourself and show your true intuition. And in number third, keep your temper in check. That means if you have a short fuse, keeping check on your temper. Till we get emotional, we could have a weak emotions, and taking your temper is also very important thing. If you are quick to lose your temper, chances are that people will stay away from you. So you need to understand that being a part of a group means you must coexist with others. This means you would have to be tolerant and sometimes let things go. You must learn to compromise. Always make sure you keep checking your temper and the level of language you are using. Is it emotional or not? And number third, it's go with the flow. Actually, what mistake that I found in myself also, if we are in a group, people will joke around and have fun and pull pranks at our own expense. But we shouldn't be a crybaby about it. Give as good as you get. Remember, the point of being in a group is to coexist, have a good time, and achieve a common goal. Of course, you should draw a line, as you should not take it all, so no one would take you for granted. So Don't have to be a Mr. Right all the time. Just go with the flow. And in number fourth, it's about don't be an attention seeker or needy one, Actually, in the most of the group of the young people, they try to be an attention seeker in a group. Doing things just to catch the eye is a reflection of low self-confidence, and it should be avoided. As I mentioned earlier, I mentioned earlier that you should be you and go with what feels instinctually, and do not try to fit into a group at all costs. It usually doesn't work out when you do this. So in summary, you should do the things that makes you happy, not just to impress others. So that's all for today's episode, guys, and that was the point on about making your presence important in a group. Hope these tips will be very useful for you guys in your days. So with saying this much, I think I want to say goodbye to everyone. So guys, I'll be coming next morning with a very different topics. So guys, with saying this much, I want to say goodbye to everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.